Good morning, students. I hope you have read the chapter that we started in the last class, Reggie Mouse's Shrinking Clothes, and the task that I gave you. I hope you have found out the meanings of these words. Okay, now let's understand the chapter. This story is about Reggie Mouse, who loved to eat only cheese. He would love to eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Due to this, Reggie's mother, whose name was Rita, she became worried. She felt concerned about Reggie's health. She became upset and tensed because Reggie did not love to eat anything else. And she wanted him to eat the foods like fruits, vegetables, cereals, and fish, etc. And she wanted him to play outside. But Reggie did not listen to her. He did not love to eat anything else except for cheese. And he said that he won't eat anything else. And for not playing outside, he gave the reason that it was too hot to play outside. In place of this, he would love to watch TV. Instead means in place of. Do you know what happened after a few months? After a few months, Reggie Mouse became very big. His size became big, as you can see. One day when he was getting dressed, when he was trying to put on his shirt, all the buttons of his shirt, they went pop, pop, pop. Now what is the meaning of pop here? Pop actually is a sound word. When something comes out, it makes a sound of pop. When all the buttons, when he was trying to put on the shirt, all the buttons, they came out making the sound of pop. They broke off. Reggie was very surprised and he thought that his shirt has shrunk. His shirt has become smaller. Then he tried to put on his trousers, but the trousers also went rip, rip, rip. Rip again is a sound word. The trousers tore when he tried to put on, and they made the sound of rip. Oh no! Reggie thought that the trousers have also shrunk. He ran to his cupboard and tried on all his clothes. But to his surprise, all the clothes, they were not fit. All the buttons of his shirts, they went pop pop, and all the trousers, they were also of no use. Reggie was confused that what was happening, and he started crying. When his mother heard him crying, she came running into his room and she asked him why he was crying and why all the clothes were lying on the floor. Reggie replied that something very bad has happened to him. He said, "Mom, it's awful." Awful means very bad. And what was very bad? That all his clothes have shrunk. They all have become smaller. Then mother told him that she knows how to unshrink them, how to unshrink the clothes. And she said that Reggie, you need to start eating healthy food like fruits, vegetables, cereals, fish and chicken. And she advised him to also go out and play with his friends. Reggie agreed, and that afternoon he very happily played football with his friends, and he had soup, carrots, spinach and grapes for dinner. And you know what happened after that? Very soon Reggie's clothes unshrank. They again became big. Now let's try to understand the story once again with the help of this chart. Reggie is a mouse. He loves to eat only cheese and he does not want to play outside. Now, what happened due to these two bad habits? Reggie became big, his size became big, and his clothes shrank. The size of the clothes became small. Who came to help him? Mother. His mother helped him. She advised him to start eating healthy food like fruits, vegetables, cereals, fish, etc. And she also told him to go out and play with his friends. Now, with the help of these two good habits, Reggie's clothes very soon unshrank. They became big again. Now, I hope you have understood the story and learned the importance of healthy and balanced diet. Now, your work is read the chapter again, learn the word meanings. Okay? So, thank you. Bye-bye and take care.